Faber Piano Adventures, levels 3A, and the song is called Land of the Silver Birch. On this piece, we're talking a little bit about common time. So if you look at the top of the page, it says common time, and there's a little C there. Instead of composers writing for time for the time signature, sometimes they'll just write a C, meaning the same thing, because the most common time signature is 4/4 time. 4 beats in every measure, and the quarter note equals 1 beat. Now we're also doing the 7th again in the left hand. We're going to be extending a 7th, and we're going to be playing pedal. We're going to be repeating softly with the right hand an octave higher in this piece, and there's going to be some crossovers and stuff, so let's get started and then we'll talk about the details in a minute. The right hand starts on D, not middle C, but up one to D, and that's your position. Remember, we're playing pedal, damper pedal, and then the left hand is actually starting with our 5th finger on D, but we're going to reach up a 7th to C, so we're going to hold that 7th when we play. Okay? So let's listen to Land of the Silver Birch, and we'll talk about the details in a minute. Okay, so like I said at the end, make sure that you move up an octave higher with your right hand when you're playing. The left hand, we were just playing that 7th most of the time, but then at the end we played harmonic 7ths. We played them together, then we played a 6th, then we flatted the 6th, and then we ended on the 5th. So we kind of just closed it down that way, okay? Brought the song to an end. The right hand was just repeating. So make sure you count those out. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and that will help you get those 8th notes right at the very end. The rest of the song is pretty simple. Make sure you pedal correctly though. So when you're pedaling here and you have to hit a note right as the pedal lift is, remember you hit the note and as you've hit it the pedal comes off, not before you hit it. Otherwise the sound disappears. Okay? The only other weird thing, I wouldn't call it weird, but the thing you got to watch out for is they say on the 3rd bar at the end to cross your 2 over. So I'm going to play the 3rd bar one more time. Let's take a listen and watch my fingering. Watch what happens here. 3, 1, 2. They want that 2 to cross over at that point. So that was the 3rd bar starting on the 9th measure. Remember to find your measures. Find the little box with the number in it, and it should have a number 9 at the beginning of that one. Okay, other than that, that's how you play Land of the Silver Birch, and now you know about common time. That concludes the piece.